As we wait for election results to come in, we're checking in with our local political experts.
Progressive strategist Matt Rothschild, Republican strategist Brandon Scholz joining us once again, as they often do on election night. Great to see you guys once again on an election night. It feels like we have one about every 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So much of this day, people are sitting around watching the Trump news out of New York City. This story came up on the networks as well, the Supreme Court race in Wisconsin. Why is this getting so much national attention, Brandon?
This race for the Supreme Court, which is really the big race, lots of local races, but this is the most important race we've had in Wisconsin for the court in decades because it's all about the power. Whoever wins today wins the majority in the court, 4-3. Conservatives maintain it. They'll maintain what they've ruled on so far. If the liberals take the majority, the expectation is they will overturn a number of issues that are important to Democrat constituency, and that's what Janet Protasewicz has done in her campaign by engaging in issues. So we'll see a high turnout, we'll see a lot of passion, a lot of intensity, and I'll let Matt take the lead on the money because it's his most favorite topic, but it's by far an unbelievable expensive race. Yeah,
the money's been insane. We're breaking all sorts of records, not just statewide records, but national records. The old record in Wisconsin was $10 million in a state Supreme Court race. We're now at642 million, headed toward 50 million. And the national record is 15 million, so we're more than triple that. So it's really out of control, the money. On the issues, I think this abortion issue is still the crucial issue in Wisconsin. I think overturning Roe v. Wade has been a disaster for Republicans in Wisconsin. Certainly if Protasewicz wins, that's one conclusion you can draw.
What will you be watching for tonight, and do you expect it to be a long night?
I don't think it's going to be a long night. I think Judge Protasewicz is likely to win. I do want to encourage everyone to go out and vote, no matter who you're voting for. Our democracy works best when everyone votes, and the polls are still open till 8, so go vote. But I think she's got the advantage. She has the money advantage, not an astronomical one, about $5 million more than Kelly and his outside groups. But I think her campaign has really struck the issues that people care about on the progressive and Democratic side.
Brandon, about the same thoughts, or were you out on this?
Same thoughts, but not in a good way. Typically in judicial races, you want to talk about the credentials of the candidates and being a justice, and they've always talked about, not legislating from the bench, the rule of law. We've never had a campaign like this where a candidate for justice on the Supreme Court said, this is where I stand on this issue, this is how I'm going to rule. Just think, if you're the opposing attorney, should you even show up and present your case to the court? I mean, what's the point? So this is a dramatic turn, and it will change all of our elections, nonpartisan elections, no more. And as Matt says, we're going to see a lot more money in this.
Great to have you guys on board tonight. We'll look forward to hearing more from you tonight in our later newscasts. Again, you can find everything you need to know about the election. Special section on the website. Just look for the Election News and Resources banner. Scroll down at channel3000.com. More information on the candidates and results for statewide and local races.